गोय वैजकीय महाविद्यालय हे IVF उपचार दिवपी देशातले पहिले सरकारी हॉस्पिटल जावन रावला। असिस्टेड रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह टेक्नॉलॉजी आणि IVF केंद्राचे आज उक्तावण जाले। हांगा IVF उपचार फुकट दितले। मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताचे हस्तुकी सोमारा गोमेकोत असिस्टेड रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह टेक्नॉलॉजी आणि IVF केंद्राचे उक्तावण जाले। GMC IVF उपचार दिवपी देशातले पहिले सरकारी हॉस्पिटल जाला। ते फुकट सेवा दितले। तसेच टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटलात 50 नर्सिंग ऑन्कोलॉजीत पदव्युत्तर शिक्षण घेवपा खातीर धाडटले, अशी माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिली।
My thought process is a little different. I have come through passion into this Ministry of Health. I have gone through several situations. I was telling somebody the other day when my father had a heart attack for the first time, Dr. Theodore Abraham and Dr. Abraham was the Dean of Goa Medical College, where Goa Medical College was then and where it has reached now. It has still there lots for us to achieve, but it has moved on. It has come to a stage where we are able to.
The advanced facility poised to provide the hope solution to those who have the faced challenges on their path to parenthood. With the dedicated focus on infertility patients, we aim to bridge the gap in healthcare by providing the highest quality care right here in Goa. Recognize the need for the specialized care. We have established the streamlined process. Infertility patients will be referred from obstetric-gynec OPD to the Art Center, ensuring the seamless transitions from the diagnosis to proper workup, counseling and treatment. This comprehensive approach will ensure that every patient receives personalized attention and best possible care. I am pleased to share that the expertise of Dr. Kedar Fatte will be the cornerstone to this new center. His expertise and commitment to the reproductive health care will be the instrumental in shaping the success of these initiatives. This is not just a facility, it is a symbol of hope and determination and collective efforts of our medical community to address the need of our people. We believe that everyone deserves the access to the high quality medical care, and the launch of IVF treatment facilities at Goa Medical College reaffirms this commitment. गोंय राज्य हे पहिले आसा की ज्या राज्यात ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर स्क्रीनिंग जवळपास 1 लाखाचो टार्गेट दवरलेलो 78 महिलांच्या खातीर ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर स्क्रीनिंग कंप्लीट केले आणि भितूर जे पेशंटूय बी डिटेक्ट जाता तांकां फर्दर ट्रीटमेंट दिवपा खातीर गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज असिस्ट करीत आसा। हे गोंय हे पयले राज्य आसा अशा पद्दतीचें स्क्रीनिंग करपी, त्याय खातीर हांव ताचें खूब अभिनंदन करता।
Goa Medical College is the only government college which is going to offer IVF facility free of cost, and this facility will cost the government per cycle about 60 to 80,000 rupees, and at the end of one successful pregnancy it might go up to 5 to 7 lakhs, and Honorable Minister has told us that he will do it all free. This is like having a sterile or a couple which cannot convince. The government is giving them the right to have a child, and this right, even though if it is not constitutional, this right exists in the state of Goa. So we must once again thank the Honorable Health Minister and the government of Goa for starting this IVF center in Goa Medical College. Now I would wish all the very best to this center and also the staff of obstetric and gynecology to carry out this work without any problems. We will be always there to support you, and I have told Dr. Muriel that the first IVF child will be delivered by you in presence of Dr. Kedar.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो, मनीष परब आणि मनीषा जाधव।